This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart an Audi A8. Park both cars close with hoods up, engines off, and set parking brakes immediately. Connect the positive clamp to the dead battery positive, then to the donor positive, ensuring firm contact. Attach the negative clamp to the donor negative, then to an unpainted metal ground on the Audi away from the battery. Start the donor car, then start the Audi and remove clamps in reverse order. Before you begin, wear gloves and eye protection and avoid loose clothing while working near batteries. Confirm battery terminals are clean and free of corrosion, and verify battery voltage if possible. Keep sparks, open flames, and cigarettes away while handling batteries to prevent ignition. Ensure the donor car has a compatible voltage system and good battery health. After jump starting, let the Audi idle to recharge the battery and check for warning lights. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and I appreciate the support. Quick recommendation: pick comfortable darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for cold roadside weights and awkward kneeling on gravel. They stay snug during hands-on work and save you replacements, which is handy when you crouch under a hood. I link the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Open both hoods and locate battery terminals, noting positive plus and negative minus posts before you touch anything. Connect the red clamp to the dead battery positive, then to the donor positive, making sure connections are secure. Attach the black clamp to the donor negative, then to an unpainted metal ground on the Audi away from the battery to avoid sparks. Start the donor car, let it run briefly, then start the Audi and remove clamps in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.